My name is Carolyn. I live in New York. I am the CEO and founder of Spotless Cleaning Services, and I also do mentorship for cleaning business owners because of AJ inspiring me. There's never going to be a perfect time for you to start an account or take your first house cleaning client. You don't have to wait to have all the fancy websites and equipment and all that. Just take action. Start looking for clients, figure it out as you go. If somebody else can do the work, pay somebody to do it. That's going to free up so much of your time to actually be able to work on the business, grow the business, and actually do other things that you really enjoy doing. Well, AJ has inspired me on so many levels. So I started off in residential house cleaning, and when I was trying to learn on how to get commercial accounts and manage that side of the business, AJ was my online mentor. He obviously didn't know who I was, but then I started to come to these conferences. I got to know him, on a much personal friendship level, mentorship level, and he's also inspired me to start my own YouTube channel, start my mentorship program. He has been supportive in every aspect of my career, including inviting me to speak today at the event. He knew this would be like a really big, deal for me. So I appreciate, all of the help that he has given me personally. And I want to say thank you, on behalf of the entire cleaning community and YouTube.